Alright, so wenza i-river profile. I thought it would be best to do a river profile before we go to rejuvenation and river capture. So firstly, before we get there, kumele siqale sazi ama-fluvial processes. Kuma-fluvial processes, sifuna ukubona ukuthi how does a flowing water interact with ama-natural channels of the river. So sifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle amanzi emfuleni a-interact-a kanjani with i-channel yomfula. Basically i-channel yomfula ngisho sikhuluma basically the ground around the river. Let's just say nangu umfula wethu lana, and then masikhuluma nge-river channel sikhuluma just the sides of a river as well as the river bed. So this is the river channel. Yabo. So masenza ama-fluvial processes, we want to see ukuthi as we have got flowing water or as we have got amanzi inside a river flowing, what do they do to the river channels? Noma ayenzani kulama river channels to the sides of the river emaceleni. Yabona ngisho.
Yes.
Okay, so first process, erosion. I'm sure you already know what erosion is a process in which materials are removed from the ground. Should say we erosion ama-materials mhlampe singathi amatshe noma inhlabathi or anything that you can find vele enhlabathini, it is being removed from the ground. Is in this case is by water ngisho, because last sikhuluma flowing water udiyenzani. So basically amanzi as they flow kanjena njengoba egeleza kanjena is they are able to wenza njani ukuthi ziwashe away some of the materials from the soil, such as the soil itself, such as amatshe, such as rocks, and all of those sediments that are found in the land. So yonke leyo nto sibiza nge-erosion leyo process. Siyezwana ngisho?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So lezo zinto esuke zi-erodiwe-ke, it's either stones or rocks or whatever that is, they are transported. So amatshe nenhlabathi nakho konke, they go through a process ekubizwa ngani nge-transportation. So transportation just means ukuthi lawo ma-materials seweyasuswa from la erodwe khona, and then they are now carried away downstream. Most of the time they say carried away downstream. Okusho ukuthi njengoba sikhiphe amatshe namanye ama-materials from the river channel kanjena, amanzi they wash away that. It's just like umuntu othatha umfula. If umuntu azothatha umfula at a certain point, umfula uzomtransporta ngisho downstream towards the direction of the river. Same thing here. Amatshe and all those rocks and eroded materials esizikhiphe from the ground during the process of erosion azotransportwa downstream. Leyo process ibizwa ngani? Nge-transportation. Yezwakala.
Yes, igama liyasho.
Yeah, liyasho igama ngisho exactly transport, yabo, transport into ethola into ethile, yabo, transportation. And then transportation ungakhathazeki ngayo kakhulu because kuma-exams abayibuzi kangako i-transportation. Kancane sibakubuza ukuthi uyi-define, but at some point you need to know ukuthi if ama-materials are being eroded, azovele athwalwe by amanzi awa-transported to other places. Siyezwana ngisho?
Yes, yes, sir.
So kahle just back to erosion kancane, i-reason yokuthi i-river noma i-reason yokuthi amanzi, the flowing water in the river, i-reason yokuthi ekwazi ukuwasha away some of inhlabathi, some of ama-rocks, is because the river has a greater velocity. So kahle umfula uhamba fast, uhamba masinya, ngaleyo ndlela yokuthini, it's able to just wash away everything. So erosion is usually caused, or it is due to amanzi ahamba faster. So basically erosion yenzeka khona la sine river that is moving at a higher velocity. So you can just add that and say river moving at greater velocity. Kusho ukuthi umfula wakho uhamba masisha, that is why it's able to erode. Write it down because uzoyidinga mase uphendula later on. River is moving at a greater velocity. So njengoba ahamba masinya amanzi, they're able to wash away or they're able to erode, they're able to remove ama-materials from i-river channel. Kezwakala?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And then-ke kuyaye kwenzeke now ukuthi umfula wakho is now moving slower. So now the third process, the third fluvial process, noma the third flowing process, is deposition. Deposition is a process in which the materials are dumped. So kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi now umfula wakho manje sewuhamba nani ne-velocity encane. So with deposition, we have a river moving with a smaller velocity. I-river yakho imuva ngani nge-velocity encane. I-velocity speed nje ukuthi umfula wakho ugeleza fast kangakanani noma nodlame olungakanani. So basically lana with deposition umfula wakho usuke sewenza njani? Suhamba slowly. Yabona? Suhamba njani? Suhamba slowly umfula wakho. Suhamba kancane. Yabo leyo nto.
Yes.
So musuhamba kancane-ke umfula. Remember ukuthi umfula sithe it is transporting. I should say transportation is the process whereby materials that have been eroded are being carried away from la
Carried
asuswa.
away
Exactly.
downstream.
Downstream. So now when umfula it is now moving at a smaller velocity, so ungasihambi kakhulu, lawo materials angeke sakwazi ukuwabamba and keep on transporting them. Lawo materials zizovele enze njani? Iwadedele kuleyo ndawo. That's why sithi this is a process in which material are dumped. Yabo ukuthi kule video lena ama-materials noma ama-rocks, all those eroded materials, it can be rocks or sediments or soil particles.
Asele ngaphansi.
Wonke uyabona ukuthi wonke ayasuka emfuleni and then they're just resting downwards there. Yabona?
So also the word inayo iyayichaza i-process igama nje on its own.
Exactly. Deposit. Angisho. Yes, the word deposit vele says it all, ukuthi we are depositing material. So njengoba sikhuluma nge-erosion ukuthi we are removing materials from the ground, sinama-erosion awu-three types. Sine-vertical erosion noma singayibiza nge-downward erosion. Sine-lateral erosion noma singayibiza nge-sideways erosion. Sine-headward erosion noma singayibiza ngani? Singayibiza nge-backward erosion.
Backward.
Yeah, but as for the sake of river capture or as for the sake of river profile, sizobuka vertical no lateral erosion. Vertical erosion nobani no lateral erosion ukuthi bahluke kanjani. Yeah, sesifuna ukubona ukuthi njengoba i-erosion sithe ama-materials they are being removed from the ground, removewa ngayiphi indlela. So nakhu-ke sinomfula wethu. This is the river channel. And then-ke sithi umfula wethu it is going to erode vertically. Asiqale ngo-vertical noma downward. So basically uyabona ukuthi nawo amanzi wakho mawa-eroda downwards, uyalizwa le gama ukuthi erode downwards, sho ukuthi remove ama-materials
From the ground.
Yes, from the ground in such a way ukuthi umfula wakho uyajula, so it's removing, it's eroding i-river channel. Umfula wakho wenza njani? It's becoming deeper and deeper because erosion is happening downwards. So that's why sibiza nge-downward erosion noma vertical erosion. Sho ukuthi after a certain moment umfula wakho usuzoshintsha i-position, mhlambe ube la. Yabo umfula wakho manje so la. Kwenziwa yini lokho? It's because the water is eroding downwards. It's removing the materials. At the same time, umfula wakho uyajula, ulokho uyehla, uyezansi, uyehla nje njalo. Remove wonke ama-materials, yonke inhlabathi, wonke amatshe, and is eroding downwards. So sibiza ngani leyo nto? I-vertical erosion. Kezwakala?
Yes, sir.
All right. So i-vertical noma i-downward erosion iyenza ukuthi umfula wakho ube deep. So it makes the river channel to be deep. Noma I can say it depends the river.
The river channel.
Yes, it depends the river channel noma the river valley they can use any word between river channel noma river valley, but masikhuluma nge-vertical noma i-downward erosion, wenza ukuthi umfula wakho ube njani, ube deep, because amanzi they are cutting down, alokho nje ayagubha amanzi ayagubha going downwards, causing umfula wakho ukuthi ugcine sonjani, so deep. So that is the function of any vertical erosion. Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then now, lateral, ngicela uwazi lama alternative names, because bangathi vertical erosion noma ungathi downward erosion. So you must be flexible on knowing both of them. Yabona ngisho.
Yebo.
And then lateral erosion. Lateral, whenever we say something is happening laterally, it means it is happening sideways. So sideways erosion, it means ukuthi amanzi erode ama-sides of the river. So now umunye umfula wethu here, and then sinamanzi. There is flowing water. Remember, lama processes wonke, it's all about interaction yani ye-flowing water with the natural channels. So la sesifuna ukubona ukuthi kwi-lateral erosion, i-flowing water yethu iyenzani, ikhipha kanjani ama-materials, because ku-vertical erosion, sithe umfula wakho uyagubha uya phansi, ulokhu uya phansi, ulokhu wehlile njalo. But for lateral erosion, umfula wakho ugubha emaceleni, so it is actually eroding the sides of the river. It is eroding the sides of the river. Shows umfula wakho ukhipha i-material noma ukhipha amatshe nenhlabathi nakho konke okutholakala enhlabathini lana kwi-river channel. It is doing it sideways. It is eroding the sides of the river. Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
So when we erode the sides of the rivers, uthola ukuthi umfula wakho so kanjena manje. Senze kanjena, umfula wakho uthola ukuthi suzoba kanjena manje. Okay, I'm not accurate with doing, but you can see ukuthi umfula wakho ekuqaleni unjani umfula wakho bokanjena. This was the yabo umncane yabo, but because now sesi erode ama-sides wakhe, sesi erode ama-sides walomfula, the river becomes wide. Yabo. If ujula umfula
wider.
Yeah, wider. If ujula umfula it becomes deeper. That's why lapha sithi deepens with vertical erosion. Yeah. But for lateral erosion, sithi umfula wakho uba njani, uba wider. Uba banzi. Uyabona ukuba banzi. Yikho ukuba wider ke lokho.
Yes.
So vertical erosion, umfula uyajula, it becomes deeper. Lateral erosion, umfula uba wider, uba umfula obanzi. So here, lateral erosion main function, it is to widen the river channel. Are we cool on that?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes.
Then again, types of load is now, since it is in transportation, so we have got different types of load that can be transported. There are different types of loads. Sine traction load, sine saltation load, sine suspension or solution load. But ungakhathazeki ngawo, it's just something to know ukuthi into existayo leyo. Sazobona ukuthi sithola kuwaphi ama-cause of the river, but ungakhathazeki ngawo for now, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now that sesiyawazi ama-erosion, sesingabuka-ke manje i-longitudinal profile ne-transverse profile. So nayi i-longitudinal profile, nayi i-transverse profile of a river. So ngiwahlukanise no-line kanje nto sewuthi we've got i-longitudinal profile and a transverse profile of a river. I-longitudinal profile sithi i-side view of a river from source to mouth. So usuke ufuna ukubuka umfula ukuthi from i-source yawo, this is the source, this is the source, la uqala khona ngisho uqala phezulu on top of a mountain and it flows downstream because amanzi vele hlezi ageleza aya endaweni engezansi. So this is the source of the river, and then this is the mouth of the river la sewungena khona olwandle into the ocean. So if uzobona nje i-view from i-source to mouth, sibiza ngani leyo? Ne-longitudinal profile. Yini?
Longitudinal profile.
Exactly, longitudinal profile. So it's from source to mouth. You are viewing the river from source to mouth. So kwi-longitudinal profile yini esikwazi ukuyibona? Siyakwazi ukubona ubude bomfula wethu, so we can see the length of the river. Okay, for example, uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi lo mfula lo mude kangakanani. Usuka la uyahamba uzofika ngale kolwandle, thola ukuthi uhamba u-70 kilometers uzofika olwandle. So we can say that our river is 70 kilometers long. So from i-longitudinal profile uyakwazi ukubona ini i-length noma ubude bomfula wakho, ukuthi umfula wakho because uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi usuke lapho kusosa ngisho, and then uya kuyiphi mouth. So you are able to see ukuthi how long is the river, the length of the river. Izwakala?
Yebo. Yes.
And then-ke enye into okwazi ukuyibona kwi-longitudinal profile, it is the gradient of the river. I-gradient ye-river suke sibuka i-slope se-river ukuthi si-steep noma si-gentle. So uyakwazi ukubona nawe ukuthi phezulu la ngathi ku-steep, la ngathi ku-gentle. So basically you are also able to see i-slope esani se-river yakho from i-longitudinal profile.
Yebo.
So i-longitudinal profile-ke iyona-ke lena, and then sazoyibuka in brief details. But-ke i-transverse profile isithi yini? I-front view of a river. So i-transverse profile yini? I-front view.
Front view of the river.
Shuthi-ke mawume phambi komfula ubona yiphi, because lana sime eceleni at the sides of the river. That's why you were able to see longitudinal profile, it's a side view. But i-transverse profile usuke ubuka umfula at the front of the river. That is mhlampe mungamalana phambi kwe-river ubheke umfula wakho ngalena, sithi nangu wena lana, hey, nangu wena la, yabo, nakho semfuleni umbukela, you are able to see i-view lena. This is known as the front view noma the transverse profile. So i-transverse profile i-front view of a river, shuthi ubuke umfula from the front. Yezwakala?
Yes, sir.
So you can see ukuthi kulama front views awu-3 sinawo lana, sinalo 1 lona, sino 2 lona, and then sino 3 lona. Do you see ukuthi nangu umfula wakho? Do you see this blue? Amanzi lawa. This is the water. This is the water, this blue here. It is the water that you are seeing in front of a river as you are standing. This is the water,
Yes.
the blue one, exactly. So now, i-longitudinal profile manje sesiyakwazi ukuyi-divide. Siyi-divide into ama-cause awu-3. So kufana nokuthi iminyaka yemfula lena. So umfula wakho una-3 stages noma una-3 phases. Kukhona i-upper course, kukhona i-middle course, kukhona i-lower course. So there are 3 phases noma 3 stages of a river. They can say 3 courses noma 3 stages noma 3 courses. Everything means the same thing. Upper course, middle course, and lower course. Yazwakala ngisho?
Yes.
And by the way, lento le bangayibuza kanjani le gradient ne-length lena? Bangathi ama-dimensions lawo. Mawangabuza ukuthi iwaphi ama-dimensions, basuke befuna ukwazi ukuthi yini okwazi ukuyibona kwi-view ye-river, yabo. So for i-longitudinal profile, ama-dimensions okwazi ukuwabona yini? I-gradient ne-length. So whenever you hear the word dimensions, so sifuna ukubona ukuthi yini okwazi ukuyibona kwi-view ye-river, kuleyo profile ye-river, kuleyo river profile.
Yes, sir.
So now, knowing this, we can look now at upper course, middle course, no lower course. Upper course, middle course, lower course. So upper course is i-river yakho isasencane, it is still young because it is coming from the source. Isanda kuphuma from where it starts. This is the upper course. We're just referring to le space lesi esekuqaleni. This one. This is the upper course of the river. Do you see just this portion which I'm highlighting? Yakwazi uyibona.
Ya ngiyayibona se-upper course.
Exactly. So i-upper course ye-river kumele uwazi ama-features wayo esikwazi ukuwathola. So kwi-upper course of a river yini enzekayo kuyo? Upper course kwenzeka i-vertical erosion. Yabona-ke manje sesichazile i-vertical erosion already, angisho ukuthi yini. So yiyo-ke eyenzeka kakhulu kuphi? Ku-upper course. So at the upper course, the dominant fluvial process. Remember, u-erosion, u-deposition, no transportation. Sithe yini lawo? Ama-fluvial process. So ku-upper course, i-fluvial process edominator kakhulu kulawo omathathu yini? I-erosion. And in this case, it is in i-vertical erosion.
Vertical erosion
Yeah.
or downward erosion.
Yes, vertical or downward erosion. Shuthi kahle kahle ku-upper course kwenzeka i-erosion in such a way ukuthi lawo manzi lawo ayagubha and aya phansi ngomfula, removing the materials, yonke leyo nto ayaphansi ngomfula, going deep down in the river. Yabona? So the main process, the main fluvial process, if umbuzo uzothi give the name of a fluvial process that takes place or that dominates at the upper course, uyothini? Vertical erosion. Uyayiphawula ngo-vertical, ungavele uthi erosion kuphela, usho uhlobo lwayo.
Yes.
Exactly. So sithe i-vertical erosion yenzani konje? What does vertical erosion do to the river channel?
I-vertical erosion yenza ukuthi i-river ibe deeper.
Yes. So i-vertical erosion yenzeka ku-upper course, resulting in deep and narrow valleys, or we can say they are V-shaped valleys. Sho ukuthi i-river channel noma ama-river valley esizowathola ku-upper course masibuke i-transverse profile. If uzoma lana ubuke i-upper course yakho from a front view, uzobona i-river channel e-deep, uzobona i-river channel enjani? E-narrow. So this is
Deep.
because of i-vertical erosion, because amanzi agubha aya phansi, yabo. So the shape of ama-valleys kwi-upper course, they are V-shaped. Anjani? Are
V-shaped.
V-shaped, exactly. So abuka njengo-V ama-value wakhona. Buka la ku-transverse profile. U-transverse profile number 1, uyambona ngisho ubhalwe V-shape.
Yes.
Exactly. Buka the shape there, ye-river channel, it is V. So it is a deep channel. It is deep.
Ungihighlighted sir.
Eh?
Ungihighlighted the V. Oh yes, I can see it. I can see it.
Yes, it's V-shaped. I think it's highlighted
Oh,
kunala.
V.
Yeah, so it looks like a V. So do you see ukuthi ama-valleys esiwathola ku-upper course masibuke i-transverse profile, because i-transverse profile iyona esikwazi ukubona kuyo kakhulu ama-valleys ukuthi akanjani, yabo. So masibuka ku-upper course ama-valleys wethu ane-shape ewu-V kanje.
Oh, V.
Yes, and you give a reason for that. It is vertical erosion. There is vertical erosion noma downwards erosion that causes ukuthi lawo ma-valleys abe njani? Abe deep. That causes ukuthi umfula wakho ube njani? Ube deep, uphinde ube njani? Ube narrow. Kuzwakala?
Yes.
Cool. And then the other process eyenzekayo lapho, we have got a very steep slope. We have a very steep slope ku-upper course. Uma ungabuka i-upper course yakho, uyabona ukuthi lana kunomqansa o-steep kangakanani. It's very steep. So it's a very steep, kuwumqansa nje o-very steep. So we have a steep slope at the upper course. So ma ungabuza nge-gradient noma nge-slope at the upper course, uyothi sinjani? Si-very steep. Ungavele uthi steep, it's very steep. Uyabona ngisho?
Yebo.
Exactly. And then-ke i-riverbed sithi injani? It is uneven. Remember ukuthi i-riverbed suke sibuka ukuthi at the bottom of the river, basically i-river channel at the bottom yayo ukuthi kubukeka kanjani. Njengalana, if we say nayi river yethu, i-riverbed, we are looking at the bottom of the river. the bottommost part of the river, the ground at the bottom of the river. So yona injani uneven, so it means ukuthi ayilingani, it has got obstructions, khona amatshe, khona yonke leyo nto yabo. The riverbed has got obstructions, it is uneven.
Yebo.
Exactly. So this actually results in turbulent flow of water. So upper Kozi, the water is flowing in a turbulent manner. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Remember,
Yes.
turbulent flow just means ukuthi the flow of the water is rough. Ihamba ngodlame nje, hamba ngodlame.
Yes, sir.
Cool. And then the other thing, there is a high velocity. Umfula wakho uhamba masinya kakhulu ku-upper course is because of this steep slope again. So still because of the steep slope, if i-river yakho iba nani, iba ne-velocity e-high. Umfula wakho uhamba fast, lawo manzi ageleza fast because indawo ewumqansa kanjena, if uzothela amanzi kuyo, azovela ahambe faster ngisho.
Asheshe.
Ayashesha
Yes.
ngisho. Yes, asheshiswa yini? Ile gradient. Yabo.
Siyabona nakuma-waterfall.
Yeah, nakuma-waterfall, awuthi kuma-waterfall umqansa wakhona ukuthi ukanjani, it is very steep, so it causes the water to just fall off, fall off, fall off, fall off. Yabo.
Yes.
Exactly. And then i-traction load ku-upper course, the eroded materials siyibiza ngani? Nge-traction load. So izinto esizigubhayo sizibiza ngani? Nge-traction load. So i-traction load just means ukuthi sinani? Sinamatshe amakhulu, large rocks and big boulders. So we are just saying ukuthi we-upper course izinto ezi-erodwayo amatshe anjani? Amakhulu.
Yes.
So masikhuluma nge-traction load, basically sikhuluma ngamatshe amakhulu, akusinto etheni. That's why ngithi you don't have to worry too much about it. Akusinto abayiveza kakhulu. I will call on the first one.
Yes.
All right. Moving to the middle course, it is the middle stage or the middle edge of the river. So sikhuluma ngale stage lesi esingaphakathi naphakathi kwe-river. This one, la kume khona lo muntu lo. This one is the middle stage. So ku-middle stage yini enzekayo? Kumele sibambe nje into ezimbalwa. I-fluvial process edominate-ayo ubani? U-lateral erosion. So we have got more of ini u-lateral erosion. Yini elinye igama le-lateral erosion kwanje?
Lateral erosion sithe second name.
Hlala uwazi ngoba vele azophuma, angaphuma ngenye indlela. What is lateral erosion? The other name for lateral erosion.
It ngisalikhumbula lateral. Oh, lateral sideways.
Sideways, angisho why it is sideways.
Sideways erosion.
Mhm.
Because that's when uma umfula unwebeka, gets wide, it becomes wider.
Exactly. So lateral erosion yenza, it means ukuthi umfula wakho uyanwebeka, it is actually eroding amacele noma the sides of the river. So this makes us to have any wider valleys. So ku-middle course sinani? Sina wider valleys and the shape sithi it's U-shaped. Buka uscenario number
U-shaped.
2. Yes, buka uscenario number 2. Buka transverse profile esibili. I-transverse profile esibili sesibuye kahle. Le ngi-highlighta ngo-green manje yabo.
Yes.
Buka i-shape yama-valleys wakho. I-river channel yakho noma ama-river valleys wakho, they have got a U shape. They look like a U. They are wider.
Yes.
So uyabona ukuthi i-stream sakho noma umfula wakho usuke from ukuba V-shaped lapha ku-upper course sewu-U-shaped. Ingenxa yani? Ingenxa ye-lateral erosion. The reason
Erosion.
is yes, lateral. Don't just say erosion. Uyasho ukuthi yiphi erosion? Bani?
Lateral erosion.
Yes, lateral
Or sideways erosion.
Sideways erosion. Exactly. And then i-process enzeka ku-middle course ibizwa nge-meandering. So sine-meandering eyenzekayo. Masithi umfula wakho it's meandering. It just means that it is just turning sideways. So nangu umfula wakho as uhamba kanjena. If we say it's meandering, it starts bending. So umfula wakho starts bending sideways kanje. Kanje. Yabo, in this image, we have got umfula wakho, it was moving and it starts bending sideways. So this bending, it is known as meandering. So
Meandering.
yes, so the stream is just bending and backing off. So it's meandering. Sazokhuluma ngayo later on. And this meandering, it is still caused by lateral erosion. Because umfula wakho uyeceleni kanjena. It's due to the lateral erosion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the other thing, sina more volume of water. We have got more volume of water at the middle course because there are more tributaries that are joining. Shuthi kukhona imfudlana encane. Remember, the tributaries, smaller streams are joining. Ayahlangana lapha, ayangena we mainstream. So the mainstream will have more volume of water because umfula wakho is now having more tributaries that are joining it. Yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, and the other thing, when there is more volume of water, there is more erosive power. Kushuthi umfula wakho has got more strength to erode. So it has got more erosive power because it has more volume of water due to lemfudlana encane ama-tributaries that are joining the mainstream. Kezwakala.
Yes.
And then now, middle course sine-load encane. It's saltation load. Sibiza nge-saltation load. It's just ama-stones and pebbles. Remember, upper course sinani sine-traction load. Middle course sinani sine-saltation load. Upper course, it's traction. Middle course, saltation.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. And then i-cause yokugcina, lower cause. I-lower cause ile yokugcina. It is the river is now entering the sea. So this is the last cause, and umfula wakho, it is now about to enter the ocean, noma the sea. Can see here we are at the lower course. This is your river trying to enter the ocean. Uyayibona ngisho?
Yes.
Exactly. And the main fluvial process, remember, ungakhohlwa ama-fluvial process iwabaluleke kakhulu. That's why siqale ngawo. The main fluvial process at the lower course yini? I-deposition. So there is more deposition. Shuthi kahle kahle, kulento njani? Umfula wakho, it's no longer having enough strength to carry the eroded materials. Ayisenawo amandla, so yenza njani? Iya-deposita, iyadedela.
So, ama-material are damped.
Yes, it's damped, yabona. So that will make ama-valleys wethu ukuthi abe njani? Abe shallow. So our valleys will be shallow. So must ama-valleys are shallow, it just means ukuthi ama-valleys awasekho deep. Ama-valleys awasajulanga kakhulu because imagine mawukuthi umfula wakho awusenamandla, it is now depositing. Sho ukuthi ama-valleys wakho will have damped materials at the bottom of the river. Yabona ngisho.
Yes.
So your
Yes.
river, yes, your river won't be that deep kulower course. Yabo.
Yes.
Exactly. And then lateral erosion isakhona nayo kulower course, but incanyana. But iyenzeka causing the river to be even more wider. Remember, middle course U-shaped. But now kulower course yabona it is now a flat shape, it is now open. Yonke umfula wakho sowubanzi kakhulu, sonwebeka kakhulu manje. So sonwebeka kakhulu is now flat
Yeah.
shaped. Exactly. So your river it is now flat shaped, noma it is wide. Now umfula wakho it is wide. It is because of any lateral erosion. Isenzeka lateral erosion la kulower course.
Yes. Sideways
Meander,
erosion.
yes, more meandering is occurring as well. Shothi umfula wakho is bending even more. Kulower course is bending even more. It's even bending too much. Umfula wakho is bending. Uyabend endleleni kanjena. Uyabend umfula wakho. So this is meandering. Meandering is happening.
Yes, sir.
And then the thing that's happening again is the gradient. La kulowa course uyabona ukuthi akusumqansa kakhulu, it's not that steep angisho la kulowa course.
Yes.
Yes. So the gradient is flat. Normal can say the gradient is gentle. Normal can say the gradient is gradual. Any one of those words, we should say access is now a leveled ground. So this actually causes more meandering again. So meandering idalwa is just go to a lateral erosion nale gentle gradient go to.
Yes.
And amanzi wakho suke sekaflowa smoothly. So there is a smooth flow of water here, or a laminar flow. Remember, laminar flow just means that the water is flowing smoothly. By the way, ku-middle course kunakho konke i-laminar ne-turbulent, both of them. But ku-lower course we've got laminar only. And ku-lower course, yeah, the load that we find at the lower course is known as suspension and solution load. Suspension or solution load. It just means that these are just small particles of soil. Much amakhulu kangaka njengaku upper course.
Yes.